Have you ever found yourself on the edge of your seat, eagerly awaiting the release of a much anticipated sequel, only to discover that the review embargo has been lifted just hours before the premiere? Um, and that's exactly what's happening with Disney's Moana 2, and it's left many of us wondering what's going on behind the scenes. Uh, Moana 2, the sequel to the beloved 2016 film Moana, is set to hit theaters in 2024. The movie follows Moana, voiced by Auli Cravalho, as she sets sail once again to confront a new curse affecting her homeland. Dwayne Johnson returns as the voice of Maui, joining Moana on her journey. Um, with the original Moana boasting a 95% rating on Rotten Tomatoes, fans have high expectations for the sequel. However, Disney has decided to lift a review embargo for Moana 2 mere hours before the initial Tuesday preview showings and a day before its official. And this has left many wondering if Disney is feeling uncertain about the film's quality. After all, studios often delay embargoes to prevent negative word of mouth from impacting box office returns. Disney's apprehension may stem from their 2023 film lineup, which uh, received mixed reviews from critics. Indiana Jones and The Dial of Destiny and Elemental both received negative buzz prior to their releases, potentially impacting ticket sales. Disney's decision to lift the review embargo for Wish 5 days before its release did not help its dismal box office performance. Fans are also wondering if Moana 2 will live up to the original film's high standards. Originally planned as a Disney Plus series, the sequel was later transformed into a full-length film, leaving some concerned about its quality. With all of these factors at play, it's no wonder that Disney has decided to keep a tight lid on Moana 2 reviews. Only time will tell if the sequel can meet fans' expectations and become a blockbuster hit. So will Moana 2 be a flop or a success? Uh, um, Only time will tell, Rocket. Um, but in the meantime, let's hope that Disney's gamble pays off and that we're treated to a worthy sequel to one of the studio's most beloved films. After all, who doesn't love a good comeback story? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more behind the scenes scoops on your favorite movies. After all, knowledge is power, and we're here to keep you in the know.